For this installation you'll need a trim tool. The turn signals are located in the front bumper area. We will begin by turning the wheels all the way to the right in order to access the fender liner. There is one clip to remove. For video purpose, we will also remove the upper clip for easier viewing. Use the trim tool to remove the clip. Separate the liner from the fender and peel it back. Here is the front turn signal bulb. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace with the LED. And test it. Install the socket and turn it clockwise. Tuck the liner back into the fender. Align and clip it back. Now repeat those steps on the other side. These new LED bulbs are so much brighter than the incandescent bulbs. And these new bulbs are CAN bus with no error codes, flickering or hyperflashing.